Hi everyone, thank you for joining. Let me start with a quick scenario. Imagine this: a new regulation comes into effect overnight, and suddenly your organization is scrambling. Traditional compliance systems struggle to keep up, mistakes slip through, and penalties loom. Now, picture humans and AI working together as partners, spotting risks early, adopting in real time, and making ethical decisions seamlessly. That's the power of human agent teams, or HATs. They turn compliance from static checklist into a living learning system, resilient, future ready, and grounded in both efficiency and ethics. I am Vidya Sagar Gatta, a principal engineer in digital transformation and innovation. My work is all about connecting human judgment with AI capability. So organizations can navigate complex regulations effectively and ethically. I have spent years exploring how humans and AI can complement each other, turning compliance from burden into strategic advantage. Regulations are more complex, interconnected, and fast changing than ever before. Many organizations use AI just as a tool to automate checks, but that's not enough. Alone, AI can be rigid and react. We need something more. Humans and AI working together, learning, adopting, and making decisions ethically and efficiently. Human agent teams, or HATs, they're about true partnership. Humans bring judgment, context, and ethical reasoning. AI brings speed, scale, and analytical power. Together, they adapt as regulations evolve. Complaints become a living learning process rather than a static checklist. This isn't just a theory. Across industries, hats are already strengthening compliance, reducing oversight burden, and turning it into a strategic advantage. Organizations can move from reacting to regulations to proactively managing risk efficiently and ethically. The impact of human agent teams is clear and compelling. Organizations adopting hats report fewer violations, lower penalties, and earlier risk detection. These are not small improvements. They represent a foundational shift in how compliance is managed. We have identified six principles that make hats effective. First, the complementary expertise. Humans and AI complement each other, doing what they do best. Second, distributed cognition. Decision making is shared, not siloed. Third, explainable AI. AI decisions are transparent and understandable. Fourth, layered accountability. Accountability is layered and clear across the organization. Fifth, continuous learning. Systems continuously learn and adopt with regulations. And finally, ethical integration. Compliance reflects not just regulations but organizational values. Together, these six principles create a resilient, future ready compliance system. Applying these principles change how organizations experience compliance. Stakeholders understand the process better, AI decisions are more transparent, and alignment with regulators improves. Beyond metrics, they just build trust, better governance, and smoother regulatory relationships. Imagine your teams actually understanding the AI, not just following alerts blindly. There are three key strategies makes this practical. First, embed regulatory values into AI from the start. Second, design processes where humans and AI co-create compliance decisions. And third, build adaptive ecosystems that evolve with regulations. This approach makes compliance adaptive, feature ready, and ethically sound. Resilient compliance works on two fronts. Legally, it meets regulations and anticipates changes. Ethically, it embeds organizational values, maintains trust, and ensures transparency. Human agent teams make both possible. They create systems that are effective, trustworthy, and sustainable. As we move into an era of complex regulatory demands, collaboration between human and AI is not optional. It's essential. Human agent teams enable us to move beyond AI as a tool and instead embrace AI as partner in ethical oversight. By working together, we can build compliance systems that are sustainable, resilient, and future ready. Thank you for your time.